earlier in this course we were defining custom types, but at some point we have created a module called types.ts where we decided to group custom types. For now, not all custom types are grouped in this file. For example, type now item, as we can see, it is currently defined inside constants.ts. So in this lesson, I'm going to move all custom types and group them inside types module. Let's cut this interface declaration and paste it inside types.ts. From here, we're going to export this type and import it inside constants.ts. Let's also remove all unused imports and continue. There is also one more type called button type in this file. We're also moving this type inside types.ts. And since this type relies on many constants, we have to import each of these constants in this file. We can grab an import statement for these constants from base button component, move it in here, and since we already have one import which imports things from constants module, let's combine these two import statements into one. And now inside constant.ts, we're going to import button type from the types module, like so. There are also a couple of custom types defined inside functions.ts. Let's cut this declaration of enumeration as well as interface and move it inside types.ts. And since we have to access these types from outside, we need to export them. Let's also move declaration of this enumeration at the end of this module and export it. Next, let's add all necessary import statements to import proper types. And by the way, there is one interesting use case, and it is related to how we use type progress color class. As we can see, this type is used as type of the return value of this function. So this is one way how we can use the type. But the thing is that enumeration can be used at the same time as the type as well as the value. Because in here, besides using progress color class enumeration as a return type, we're also using this type as a value by referencing individual enumeration entries in here as return values of this function, which means that we cannot simply use keyword type in this import statement because progress color class enumeration is used not only as a type but also as a value. So to fix this issue, we have to explicitly specify which things are imported as types and which things are imported as values by basically using keyword type in front of only types, but not of in front things that can also be used as values, like progress color class enumeration in our case. So to make sure that our application still functions properly, I'm going to take a quick look in the browser, click around a little bit and make sure that there are no errors. As we can see, everything is good. Let's continue development in the next lesson.